Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to direct you again how to improve speaking skill using a short story. This story is related to the use of simple past tense and simple present tense. Well, to improve your speaking skill, you should listen to me carefully and repeat after me sentence by sentence when I tell you a short story. And you should also try to memorize it and retell it. In the end, I will ask you some question about it. Now please listen and repeat after me sentence by sentence. Carol Lee is talking about herself. I went to the travel agency in Greenwich Village and saw Mary Williams. She asked me some question, then she gave me the job. I earn more money now and I think it's interesting. I'm happy there. Alright, now please answer my questions. Question number 1. Did Carol Lee go to the travel agency in Greenwich Village? Question number 2. Did she see Mary Williams? Did Mary Williams give the job? The next question. Does Carol Lee earn more money now? What does she think of the job? Is she happy there? What about you? Where do you work now? Do you earn more money? Do you think it's more interesting? Are you happy there? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching.